The pay-in and pay-out functions allows the employees to add or remove cash within the business. This allows for a more accurate way to balance cash on hand at the end of trade when the cash denominations are declared. This function accepts payment in or out of the entity type, employee, till, or store, selected from a specified group to allocate the pay-in or pay-out within the reporting and cash-ups. To make use of this feature, simply do the following. Log in to the point of sale using your unique access code or by scanning your fingerprint. Navigate to the Functions menu on the Sales Overview screen. Select either the Pay-in or Payout function. Choose the correct entity type for your action. This can be either employee, till, or store cash-up. This will be the cash-up from which the cash on hand will either be increased or decreased. Select a payment method from the provided options. Enter the applicable amount. Enter a reference for the transaction. For example, when doing a pay-in, a possible reason can be old oil buyback. Select the correct cash management group. This can be set up in Unity Enterprise with cash management tags. Finally, click on Accept to finalize. The point of sale will supply a printout for the completed action for you.